Good morning, it's just gone 9 AM. Yes, I've shat the bed. I usually get up at midday. But we've got a trip today, we're going to Koh Larn, so we've got to get a boat in the morning. Yeah, but first I've got to go and get my towel to have a shower. So let's take a look. Oh wow, what's going on out here then? I've got to be careful because up there was bees or wasps making a nest. And I found some spray in the cupboard, so I sprayed them and it all kind of like fell apart. And I knocked it down with a brush. There's nothing there now, but I did that in a whole night, literally one whole night. And you can see that where I've knocked it apart. I only come from a towel. That towel there, about as stiff as a board, bedsheet. Oh, that's alright. I used that to mop the sink, mop the fridge because it leaked. Kind of defrosted at night, and then all the water just ran across, so it's colder. So the ground's not kind of level. Let's have a look, see what's going on out here. Same as every morning, I guess. It's a bit chilly actually. Don't know what temperature is, probably 25, 26. Nice, and we're going to, can't make it out in the background there, Koh Larn. So let's get on the boat. Trying to park here, mate. It's a nightmare. Proper nightmare. There's one steer. Yeah.
Don't worry about it.
Check it out. This is amazing. I'm so going in. I'm so going in, not water. Let's have a feel. Let's see if it's temperature is what we were the other day. Oh wow! That's bath water. Definitely going in. Look, so you got all these bikes, they've got number plates. We don't need number plates wherever we're going. Change your plan. We move because it's a crappy beach. It's not much sand. Just come up here to have a look. See what's going on. Oh, hear that? Someone's crashed their motorbike. It's light round here. Lovely views. Beautiful views. Alright, so we're the other side. Oh, this is crystal clear, mate. This is crystal clear. Apparently there's some monkeys up here. So I'm going to have a little walk. Whoa, this is sharp rocks. Sharp rocks. Where are they then? Whoa, you can't over them. Yeah, I ain't fucking climbing that, no way. Pedro. Not on your Nelly. Alright, so we're down here. He's climbing down. Climb down here. Have a look. Okay, I better put a monkey.
Going in.
Oh, that's salt at the back. You can see it. It's all built up. Looks like salt. Oh, it's polystyrene. I've just spotted it there. That's not good, is it? Oh, look at all these ants. See all these ants? See? Wildlife channel as well.
Getting around there.
Right, so a bit of off-roading, and we've got here. You can just about make a beach out down there somewhere. I'm going to go down here. somewhere down here. There's like a little cut through thing. Right, we found a hole in the hedge. We paid someone 20 baht and he let us through. He's just lost his glasses. Man, this place is a death trap. Everything's out to kill you here. Oh, wow. What have we got here? Oh, what? Bunker. This is a unique way of getting to the beach, isn't it? Going through someone's restaurant. You've got to buy food, that's the catch. Right, let's go in. It's going to be freezing. I know it. Oh, actually, it's quite nice. Lovely jubbly. Right. Whoa. Big wave incoming. I'm going to get wet. And again. Oh! It's cold. Very cold. Nice, it's a nice little area. Not many people here. Right, that beach was a bit pants. Tired getting up that hill. But no one goes there. Water's not that warm, to be fair, to be honest. It was a bit cold. Yeah. We all got that hill now, all the way up. All the way up that hill there. There's steeper ones. I had to get off and Carl had to go round. Look at the roads. Because they're doing stuff. That doesn't have very health and safety, does it? That's insanity. You're watching to light up now, we'll get electrocuted. It's like the M40. This is what you gotta expect when you come here. Fucking rubbish, it's disgusting, mate. Yeah, look, we found a really good beach. Nice and shallow. Beautiful. Lovely. Speedboat there, look. Watch this bad boy go. They're insane. They're actually insane. Come on then. Oh, jet ski there. He's flying. Look at him. Right, just been for a swim. Actually learnt to swim. I can't swim. Well, kind of can now. I can float. That's the main thing. Yeah, buoyancy is important. So that generator, there's no power on the island. They're doing the power cables, we're doing it all.
You'd probably quite like that, actually.
Carl's got peckish, he's doing the menu. Not bad. Dribbling all the food.
Oh, cow pat moo. Lovely.
Cow pat moo?
Yeah.
That doesn't sound healthy. Look at that. We're on the viewing platform. Koh Larn. Look at that. It's Pattaya in the background there. My hotel's probably over there somewhere. You can't see it in all the mist and fog. Let's see if I can zoom in. There we go. That's the best we're going to get, I'm afraid. Yeah. Let's zoom out and have a look. That's what we got going on here. Down there, look. Catch a boat. Look at that. You see these dragonflies? I don't think you're going to see them. No, you're not going to see them.
Yeah, from basically that, which is pretty well zoomed in, holes, and they're all bent up and they're all falling over. Look at the shape of some of them. And some of them are just a pole. If you walk around it, you find them on the fucking ground.
Right, time to go back on the boat. Everyone's racing to get on the boat.
Yeah, well,
I don't know, what's the race? What's the race? Right, it's food time. I'm getting chips because I'm British. Don't eat meat, so it's a bit of a struggle here. But it's tempting now and again. Look at that sunburn. That's a nightmare. Oh, on my arm. It's all a nightmare. All up the other arm. It's a nightmare. I've just had a shower. So, yeah, I'm sat in the condo at the minute. Tally's never been on. Never put that tally on. Put it on the first day I got here to see what it was about, and that's about it. Not really done much. With it's a bit messy in here. Yeah, I've got bananas to eat yet. 100 baht, you got 12 bananas. That's super cheap. Yeah, got clothes lying around. They were drying because I washed them. Yeah, that's about it really. So let me flip this round. It's only 8 o'clock and I'm back home already. I wonder why. Drinking alcohol in Thailand's banned a day before the elections. Some election or something going on tomorrow. So Cole knows a bar where we can go and play pool. Conveniently, it's the one where we normally go, so it's good. We can go to the normal bar. They'll serve beer apparently in coffee mugs or something. So where they do it and get away with it. So yeah, there's not many people about in town tonight. I don't think people from Bangkok are coming because they got a vote tomorrow morning. So they need to be home to do it, which is good. But I had a good day today. Yeah, kind of learned to swim. I have to say, instead of step 0, I'm at step 2 maybe. So I can float on my back, flap my legs and move a little bit. So, you know, it's a start. I might go to the swimming pool tomorrow. I'm not going to do any videos tomorrow. Just going to wind down because I'm going home, going back to England on Tuesday and it's currently Friday today. So, yeah, got to get back. Get my van sorted. Needs an MOT at the end of the month. And then save and then come back. That's what the plan is going to be, really. Yeah, so if you liked the video from today, get a thumbs up, subscribe. If you like van life videos, subscribe because I might bring you some. And see you in the next one, I guess. Oh, and if you go to Koh Larn, don't drive a motorbike like a nutcase. The roads are not safe. Crazy paving. You hit them, and it moves. And the hills, mate. The hills are a nightmare. But yeah, see you in the next one.